Okay, so now we have a couple of examples where we have some word problems. Now it's very similar to what we were doing on Tuesday, except instead of the time, which is usually the exponent, now it gives us an answer, and so we are missing the amount of time. So if you notice what it says, a new game system was priced at 500. And over the next few years, the cost decreased by 5% each month. So how many months did it take for the price to fall to 200? So if you remember, our exponential function is ab to the power of x. So this is the percentage. This is the starting value. So our starting value in this case would be 500. That's how much it costs. And so our b would be 1 minus 0.05. And that's because we are decreasing by 5% every month. So x is a number that we don't know. X is what we don't know, and we know that the final answer, which would be our f of x, would be 200. So putting that into an equation, we have 200 equals 500, and then 1 minus 0.05 to the power of x, because we don't know how many months it takes. So 1 minus 0.05, that's 200, equals 500 divided by 1 minus 0.05. Sorry, if we subtract that, we should have 0.95 to the power of x. So, to go ahead and solve this, what we need to do is we're going to go ahead and divide by 500 on both sides. So we're going to divide by 500 on both sides. And we should have 0.4 equals 0.95 to the power of x. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take the logarithm of both sides. And now we have x logarithm of 0.95 and then the logarithm of 0.4. So we go ahead and divide the logarithm of 0.95 on both sides. 0.95. X is equal to the logarithm of 0.4 divided by the logarithm of 0.95.